Hey guys, welcome to another week of English 2 Online. I've got the Canvas homepage pulled up for this week, so I'm going to kind of go through that and talk about some things with the updated calendar and what the rest of the year is going to look like for us online. So, first things first, after I film this video, I'm going to post it right up here so you can watch it anytime or refer back to it if you need to. And then a reminder about the Zooms. I have not had a lot of people join the Zooms in the past 2 weeks. But you guys are getting your work turned in for the most part, so just make sure you are joining those Zooms if you have any questions at all, because it's a great way to let me know what's going on or ask me questions, and I can talk you through the assignments, through the worksheets, and especially this week because it's your last week working on the book report. So if you have any questions on that, the Zoom is going to be a great time to talk to me, and I can help you with any questions you might have. So if your third period, your Zoom is on Tuesday from 1 to 2. If your fourth period, it's 2 to 3. If your sixth period, it's 3 to 4. And if your seventh period, it's 4 to 5. So just remember, those are your Zoom times. They are on your Canvas homepage. They say specifically when your time is. So make sure you're looking at those. And like I said, please use that to your advantage to ask me questions. I'm going to put the Zoom meeting ID and password on the Canvas homepage, but I'll also send out an invite to the Zoom about 20 minutes before, just so you can get a reminder and a link, an easy link to let you join the Zoom. Reminder that Wednesdays are your English days, so this is when your work is due, is Wednesday at midnight, so you need to be trying to hit that due date as best you can. I'm going to talk about the updated calendar, so I've got it pulled up. It's just a PDF, so you guys can click on it right here. So it will be on your homepage always. So I've got it pulled up. I'm going to walk through this a little bit. This week, you're finishing your book report. It is due next Wednesday by midnight, okay? Any questions you have at all, email me, join the Zoom. I would love to help you. You just have to reach out. After that, we are still going to do the grammar review that was posted. There will be an instructional video about how to do the grammar review and what that looks like. So for that week, so make sure you watch that and answer the worksheet. And then we are going to do a little excerpt assignment, multiple choice, kind of like EOC prep. I know you guys are not having to take the EOC this year, but you would have if we were in person, so I still want you to get that experience, and it's great knowledge moving forward to know how to read, comprehend, and then answer questions. So it's just a short little excerpt. Anna Karenina is a really famous Russian novel, but you guys are just reading a short bit of it and then answering some questions. I will talk more about that assignment for that week's instructional video when we get there. After that, the last assignment you have for English 2 is you're writing a reflective letter. That assignment will be on Canvas as well. If you want to work ahead, same thing with the Anna Karenina assignment, you can work ahead if you want to, but I will be putting up instructional videos as those weeks go on, talking specifically about those assignments and what I'm looking for. But if you want to go ahead, try to work, ask me questions, email me, join the Zoom, okay? So this new updated calendar is on Canvas and ready for you. Right there, PDF. And then I went ahead and listed out the online learning assignments through the rest of the year. So again, that book report is due May 13th at midnight. Try to get that in on time as best you can. Ask me questions, okay? That's kind of the biggest assignment you've had online or will have for the entirety of English 2 online. So please take it seriously and ask me questions. Get help when you need it. Then, of course, the grammar review, then the Anna Karenina excerpt, and then the reflective letter. And that'll be it. Those are the rest of your assignments for the year for English Online. So just make sure you're getting your work done, you're hitting those due dates, and you are asking me any questions that you have, because I'm here to help, but you have to ask. You have to let me know you need help. All right? one last time, I'm going to try to say join the Zoom this week just for the big book report that you have due so that we can talk about it and I can answer any questions you have.